Want to make the most out of the Do Not Disturb mode on any Android phone? Here's how to do that. So first of all, let's open up our settings. After that, let's scroll down to our Notifications tab and let's open it up as well. Now let's search for Do Not Disturb mode. So, in order to activate it, simply tap on the switch near it. Now we can choose for how long Do Not Disturb mode will be active until you turn it off or for some specific timing. For example, we can set it on 2 hours. Let's press turned on. Now we can set up a schedule. Let's press add schedule. So whenever you set it, the Do Not Disturb mode would be active on this specific timing. For example, I want it to be from Monday to Friday. Let it be from 11 p.m. and let it end at 9 a.m. Let's press done. Let's name it as sleep. Now to save the schedule, simply press save. So now on weekdays from 11 p.m. to 9 a.m., our phone will automatically turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. Now let's look what is going to be allowed during Do Not Disturb mode. For example, we can press on calls and messages, and here we can add up some contacts which are gonna be allowed during this mode. So let's press add contacts, choose any desired contact, press done. Now their calls will go through anyways. You can also choose what you want to also allow. For example, calls, favorite contacts only, all or none. I want to send it on contacts only. Repeat callers, allow calls whether they received from the same phone number more than 15 minutes, and messages. Well, it works exactly the same as with the calls, so all contacts only, more favorite contacts only, or none. Let's set it on favorite contacts only. Let's go back. So now Do Not Disturb mode is basically active. Let's turn it off for a second. So if you want to have a faster access to it and now not go to settings every time when you want to use it, you can add a shortcut. Simply swipe down twice from the very top of your screen, open this up, and let's tap on this pencil icon. Let's press edit and let's locate our Do Not Disturb mode shortcut. So where it is. There we are. So simply grab it, leave it on this main page, so to say, and let's press down at the top right corner. Let's press down once again. So now, whenever we want to use our Do Not Disturb mode, we can simply open up this page, press Do Not Disturb mode, and choose when it's gonna be active and how it's gonna be active. So until, for example, for now, let's choose until I turn it off. Let's turn it on. Now we have this little sign at the top right corner, this little stop sign that our Do Not Disturb mode is active. In order to turn it off, tap here again. Now it's off and you're getting all the calls and messages. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.